Are you feeling emotionally drained and disconnected? Are you tired of feeling anxious or stuck in a rut? Do you want to unlock the secret to more open, loving, and compassionate heart? My dear one, heal your heart chakra fast and attract love instantly. Hi, my name is Rupa. If you're new here and this resonates, I strongly recommend you to subscribe to my channel, Magnetize Self, where we explore the art of self awareness, self healing, and personal transformation. If you're revisiting, welcome home and thank you. In this video, we will dive into the most effective and proven methods to heal heart chakra fast. From the ancient practices like meditation, sound healing, breath work, we will explore the top ways to balance and align your heart chakra. Get ready to release the emotional blockages, cultivate self love, and attract more positive relationships into your life. So watch this video until end to discover the powerful yet simple strategies to heal your heart chakra and unlock life of love, joy and fulfillment. The heart chakra is truly the center of love and compassion, and it's essential to keep it balanced for our overall well-being. When our heart chakra is in harmony, we feel more loving, more compassionate, more connected to ourselves and also others. Do you ever feel you're stuck in a cycle of negativity, always focus on what is lacking in your life? That's often a sign of blocked heart chakra, my dear one. When our heart chakra is blocked, we can feel lonely even when we are surrounded by the people. We might struggle to forgive ourselves and also others, holding on to grudges that weigh us down. We might lack self love, always putting others first and neglecting our own needs. When our heart chakra is out of balance, we might feel physically too, perhaps experiencing heart problems, lungs issues, or even sometimes breast cancer too. Emotionally, we might feel anxious, depressed, or just plain stuck. It's like our heart is crying out for attention, for love, and for healing. And that's exactly what we are going to do today, my dear one. With heart chakra being imbalanced, it's not just physical or emotional. We might also mentally feel unworthy, not good enough, and we are not worthy for love and attention. We might struggle to set boundaries, my dear one, always saying yes to others and no to ourselves. And we might feel like we are just going through the motions and no energy in that at all. Living a life that's truly not ours. Think about it, my dear one. So, how do we heal the heart chakra quickly and effectively? One of the powerful ways is through meditation, right? By focusing on the heart chakra, we can release all the negative emotions and patterns that are holding us back. We can visualize a bright, pulsing green light filling our chest, filling us with love, compassion, and self acceptance. Also, there are Beeja Mantras that are single syllable or seed sounds that are associated with each chakra in Hindu or yogic traditions. They help cleanse and balance chakras. Beej mantras helps in chakra balancing, energy flow, and also aids in healing mind body connection and spiritual growth. For the heart chakra, also known as Anahata in Sanskrit, the Beeja Mantra is Yam. You can also practice meditation with Beeja Mantras. You can do the meditation as mentioned above. You can include this Beeja Mantra to heal, open, and balance the chakra. Chant the Beeja Mantra to deepen your healing voice as you meditate to heal and balance your heart chakra. Close your eyes, my dear one. Repeat after me. Just feel the vibration of heart chakra Beeja Mantra. Yum. 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 Feel the loving vibration within you in the heart center and the energy of this mantra that is traversing throughout your body. Now, slowly open your eyes. I'm sure you can definitely feel the shift in energy. If yes, make sure that you comment your experience in the below comment box, my dear one. I would love to read it and see if I can give more information on any questions or comments you have. Also, please note that I am not a medical practitioner. For any medical concerns, please consult a professional. The concepts and ideas I share on my channel through my videos focus on preventive techniques and supportive measures to help you unleash your full potential and live with a high energy, leading you to the best version of yourself. So, back to the heart chakra. Another way is through affirmations. By repeating positive statements like, I am worthy of love and respect. I am just enough as I am. We can rewire our minds, shift our perspective with these affirmations. But there is a catch, my dear one. When you recite these affirmations, they are not just words that's coming out from your mouth. It should actually come out as an intention. You had to feel each statement you say. I know it would be initially difficult, but it has to be made with an intention that you are really worthy of love and respect. So, if there is any uncomfortable situation, let me know. Please fill the form below. I would love to work with you and see how I can help on that particular issue. Okay. So these affirmations can wire our minds and shift our perspective. We can start to see ourselves in a more positive light that's incredibly empowering. Another way is using crystals. Crystals are amazing energy living tool that help us support us in our intentions. So healing crystals are another powerful tool. For heart chakra, we can use rose quartz. Rose quartz is all about love and self love. By holding this crystal, placing it on the heart chakra, we can tap into its gentle, nurturing energy. And if you can wear a rose quartz pendant, it would also be a great way to support your heart chakra. It's not just rose quartz. There are many other crystals like jade, green aventurine, many other which is somewhat like green in color will help heart chakra to open and balance. Will support the heart chakra. Finally, the power of Visualization is a profound tool for healing the heart chakra, the energy center associated with love, compassion, and emotional well being. By consciously imagining ourselves in a peaceful and safe space, bathed in a warm, loving energy, we can create a sanctuary within our mind where healing can take place. As we immerse ourselves in this confronting vision, we allow the gentle vibration of love to dissolve the fears, doubts, and uncertainties that have been weighing us down. This practice encourages emotional release, fostering a sense of openness and trust in ourselves and world around us. Over time, regular visualization helps to restore to the heart chakra, allowing us to experience deeper connections, self acceptance, and an abundance of unconditional love. As we immerse ourselves in confronting the vision, we can also visualize a beautiful green or soft pink light, both colors associated with heart chakra, gently filling and surrounding us. This radiating energy flows through our hearts, dissolving fears, doubts, and uncertainties, making way for love, trust, and emotional balance. With each breath, we absorb this healing light, allowing it to expand within us, nurturing our ability to give and receive love freely. Over time, this practice helps us to restore harmony to the heart chakra, deepening our connections, fostering self acceptance, and filling our lives with pure essence of unconditional love. But all these methods, I want to share with you one thing that I think most effective is meditation with visualization. When we meditate on heart chakra, we can release all the blockages and patterns that are holding us back. We can start feeling more loving, more compassionate, and more connected to ourselves and others. Through meditation, we can start to see ourselves and others in more positive light. We can start to forgive, to let go of all the grudges, resentments that are weighing us down over time. And we can start to love ourselves truly and deeply just as we are. The results can be astonishing, my dear one. We can start feeling more alive, more connected, and more at peace. We can start to see the world in new light, a world of love, compassion, and possibility. That's the heart chakra for you, my dear one. So, how can you start to heal your heart chakra today? Remember, it's all about taking small steps towards love and self acceptance. Try incorporating at least one of the mentioned above methods into your daily routine and see how you feel. Pick the one which resonates the most. Practice it daily, at least for 21 days. And if you really feel there is a shift in your life, make sure that you come back to this video, comment your comments, and fill the form. I would love to connect with you. The link is given in the description. In healing our heart chakra, we are not just healing ourselves, we are healing our relationships, our communities, and our world. We are creating a ripple effect of love and compassion, my dear one, that can spread far and wide. Think about it. I'm just filled with so much of love and compassion to each one of you who are listening to this video. Thank you. Thank you for watching till here. And if you had any experience with heart chakra healing, please share them with me in the comments below. I would love to hear you. Before you move on, make sure that you subscribe to this channel Magnetize Self, like and share this video with a friend who would need to hear this information. Also, don't forget to check out my other videos on chakra healing for even more insights and tips. Please make sure that you visit all the links mentioned in the description below so that you can get more awareness. Loads of love until next time, my dear one. Thank you very much.